Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to select mode for wired Android Auto connection. As you can see, we've got two connections, modes, Auto Link and Android Auto. To select primary mode, go to Settings, Connection, Android Wired Link and select between Android Auto and Auto Link. Thanks to this function, you'll enter Android Auto, and thanks to Auto Link, you'll mirror the screen of your smartphone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.